pardon the poor lighting, but I just want to work on a quick DIY before I go to bed. It's an idea I've had for a while now. I want to make like a, I don't know, a small vase using this broken plate, which I fixed with glue gun. I put it back together with glue gun. You see the crack down the middle, and also this broken cup, the handle is broken off, and I tried to smooth it out with what's it called, sandpaper. So what I want to do, let me just plug in my hot glue, my glue gun, so I can use the hot glue. Okay, so what I want to do is literally use a glue gun, put it on top here, and place the plate in it, let it dry, and then I'm gonna spray paint it. Well, maybe not tonight because it's quite late, but I'll spray paint it later. Look at this thing I made. I mean, it could be a fruit bowl or something, but yeah, I didn't have enough spray paint, and I also spoiled it a bit. So my brother is suggesting I get black spray paint, which I think would be nice. It'd be nice in black spray paint. I'll probably get new spray paint, but this is it. Repurposed broken plate and cup.